Welcome back to the second segment of designing a resistance training program. In this segment, we'll review and discuss the content that makes up the fitness and initial evaluation portion that we discussed earlier. Just as a reminder, we need to implement this component before engaging someone or a group of individuals in a strength training program. Perhaps one of the things we need to do first is identify the training status of those who are interested in participating in our resistance training program. For example, we'd want to ask questions like these. Do you currently participate in a resistance training program? How long have you been following a regular resistance training program? Has it been 1 or more times per week? How many times per week do you resistance train? How often or how difficult are your resistance training workouts in terms of intensity? What types of resistance training exercises do you perform, and how many of them can you perform with proper technique? In asking these questions, a majority of the responses will tell us whether or not someone should be classified as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced. Understanding one's status can be helpful in many ways. For example, if someone is on the intermediate level or if they're on the advanced level, we can incorporate or potentially modify their existing program so that it's a better fit for their specified goals. If you will, take just a moment, pause the video here, and determine what your resistance training status is. Where do a majority of your responses lie? In a traditional fitness evaluation, the following is assessed: resting heart rate, blood pressure, flexibility, girth measurements, muscular endurance, height and weight, and cardiovascular endurance. All of these measures can be helpful in giving us a baseline of information so that we can compare weight and other factors prior to and after our exercise program. In other words, it'll help let us know whether or not our plan is effective. Now, let's get to the specifics of goal setting as it relates to resistance training. So specifically, after we've assessed individuals' health, fitness, and training status, we need to understand what it is they want to get out of participating in a resistance training program. The terminology that you see on the screen represents the goals that a lot of individuals will request. However, they aren't as likely to use this exact terminology. We're likely to hear someone say, "I want to improve my endurance," or "I want to increase my durability," instead of specifically saying, "I want to work on my muscular endurance." In the same way, we aren't likely to hear someone say, "I want to work on hypertrophy." We're much more likely to hear someone say, "I want to put on size." For the terms strength and power, we may be more likely to hear these terms outright. We might hear people say, "I want to work on becoming stronger," or "I want to become more explosive," which relates to power. What our responsibility is in this step is simply to determine what someone's training goal is. Now, as we look at this graphic, it also represents steps or a sequence of events. We'll understand more about this process in a later segment of this video, but what we mean here is that we can't or shouldn't just jump into designing a resistance training program that helps someone develop muscular power. We should do it by helping them to develop muscular endurance first, which would be the first step, then helping them take the second step, which is hypertrophy, then muscular strength, and ultimately muscular power. But again, the way we'll navigate these training goals is by assessing the individual needs of those we're working with. Thank you again for watching this segment of the video on designing a resistance training program. We'll continue in the next segment by discussing the training frequency that we should select for certain individuals.